In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Sunburst chart in Excel. A Sunburst chart is a great way to visualize hierarchical data, showing how categories break down into subcategories in concentric rings. It's perfect for viewing proportions at multiple levels in a single, compact graphic. First, make sure your data is set up for a hierarchy. In your worksheet, arrange categories from left to right, with the highest level in the leftmost column and deeper levels in the columns to the right. If you have values, place them in the last column. Each row should represent one path through the hierarchy, like region, then country, then city, followed by a number. Include clear headers, and avoid blank rows or subtotal rows inside the selection. Now, highlight the entire range you want to chart, headers included. Selecting the right range helps Excel build the correct rings and groupings. Next, go to the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. This is where all of Excel's chart options live. If your screen is narrow, you might see compact icons, but the Insert tab still groups chart tools in the Chart section. Within the Insert tab, look for the Insert Hierarchy Chart button. It's typically in the Charts group, alongside other chart types. When you click it, you'll see options specifically for hierarchical visuals. This is the menu that includes both Tree Map and Sunburst. Choose Sunburst. Excel immediately inserts the chart based on your selection. The innermost circle represents your top-level category, and each outer ring shows the next level down. Segment sizes reflect their proportion within the parent category, making it easy to spot which branches dominate. If something looks off, check your selection and column order. A single ring usually means your data only has one level. If labels overlap, you can turn on data labels and let Excel place them automatically. You can also resize the chart by dragging its corners, rename the chart title to match your report, and pick a style or color palette from the Chart Design tab to improve readability. If the chart doesn't group as expected, verify there are no stray spaces or mismatched spellings in category names, as those create separate segments. That's all there is to it. Highlight your hierarchical data, open the Insert tab, choose Insert Hierarchy Chart, and pick Sunburst. With a clean layout and a few quick formatting tweaks, you'll have a clear, multi-level visualization ready for your dashboard or presentation.